This AI plugin will change the way you use Photoshop. In this video, we are going to talk about ETI Image version 3 and all the abilities it got in this version and how you can use it inside Photoshop. Let's begin. ETI Image is an AI plugin inside Photoshop which connects your Photoshop to all the other amazing AI models out there with all the abilities that comes with them. So if you don't have ETI Image plugin, you can get it from the link down in the description, which will take you to this page, and you can get it from here. So if you're not familiar with this plugin, you can watch this video, which I explained more about this plugin. Now, we recently updated this plugin to version 3, and you can come here, click on the version and read all the changes that we have made. We have added lots of features, which I'm sure you are going to love. So let's talk about all of these great features and see the result of their work. So first of all, here we have a low resolution image, which you can see the width is 200 pixel. And if we come to the Pro tab, if we scroll down under Enhancement, we added a new AI model, which is called PRUNA. Just click on it and the setting appears here. It is a very, very cheap AI model to upscale. I'm just going to put it on 8x and I'm going to select the whole image, put the quality on 100 and just click on generate. It works only with replicate website and it is also very fast. It just took a couple of seconds and it upscaled the image. Wow, it looks amazing. Just compared to what it was before. All the detail. Look at all these great details here. I can say it's one of the best AI upscaler that I have seen over the past year that I have been working deeply on this topic. Just look at the result. It's amazing. The next thing that was added to this version is MAGNIFIC. So before we had MAGNIFIC on ETI Image, we had it here and we had a skin. But because of the new changes happened on MAGNIFIC website, for some time it was disconnected, but now it is back. And also we added 2 more features. So to connect it, you need to come to MAGNIFIC website, just create an account. And if you have a paid membership, doesn't matter the plan that you have, from the basic one all the way to the most advanced plan that they have, you can create an account and then come to your account. On the left side, we have API keys. You can create a new API key and then it will give you the key itself. And you can come here to the Photoshop plugin, click on the gear icon, scroll down to MAGNIFIC and just add it and click on save. Then it will be reconnected to MAGNIFIC and it will use your credits that you have on this platform based on your plan. So for example, right now I have 235,000 of credits and I have spent 4,500 of it. So what you can do, for example, you can come on an image. The skin of this character in this image is not good. So I'm going to make a selection. I'm going to come to skin, open the settings, come to flexible and just click on generate. It will send the request to MAGNIFIC website. It will analyze it and it will deduct some amount of credit from the whole credits that we have on MAGNIFIC, and then it will get the result and place it here. While this is generating, let me tell you that if before you had an API key from MAGNIFIC from the developer website, that will not work anymore here, okay? So you need to get a new API key from the user page. So here is the result. As you can see, it is amazing. Let's compare it to what it was before and after. Before, after. It changed the skin totally and it feels amazing. Let's go for the next use case. So here we have a portrait. And if we come to the Pro tab, if we turn off a skin, here we have a prompt library and we have added more items to this list. So I'm just going to make a selection and come here, click on run. It will send a request to one of the AI models and it will generate this cool result. Just look at it. it will make the image look much better. This is before, after. And if we change the resolution right now, for example, it is on 2K. Let's put the height on 4K. Even the resolution of the image that it was generated is higher than what it was before. So this is before. Okay, look at all the details here. And this is after. It is much sharper and showing more details of the skin. It looks amazing. So this is one of the new items on our prompt library, which is amazing. It can change portraits to something really cool. We have another item here. It works mostly on serious images. So here we have a serious portrait, and I did the same thing, and here is the result. It looks really cool, isn't it? Let's go for the next use case. The next thing that was added in the new version of ETI Image version 3 is that here under fast actions to restoring an old damaged image, we have removed Flux and replaced it with Seedream 5 Pro, which is amazing. You can see the result for yourself. So to try it, all you need to do is to just select the rectangle tool, make a selection, and then just click on crack, restore, colorize, and retouch, and click on generate. And here is the result that it gave us. Just look at it. Before, after, before, after. It kept the originality of the character. It's the same character to the smallest details. And that is what makes it amazing comparing to Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2. And the resolution of this image is very low. Let me just bring it to 2K. So even when we compare the result, this is before, low resolution, damaged, cracks, black and white. And this is the amazing result that Seedream 5 Pro made for us. Look at all the details. Even though that the maximum quality right now for Seedream 5 Pro is 2K, still the result is amazing. Look at all the details. I feel really good about this one. So let's go for the next item that was added in this version. So if you pay attention here, for every generation that we make, it also creates a mask layer. So if I come here, for example, I'm just gonna make this selection, or if I just use this selection tool like this, let's add some part to it, and come here to the core tab, select Seedream 5 Pro, and write add sunglasses, and click on generate. It will generate the image with a mask layer based on the selection that we have made. So I'm just gonna fast forward when the result is ready. All right, the result is ready, and as you can see here, we have a mask layer exactly based on the selection that we have made. But if you pay attention, we can see the line around it, and to fix it, it's very easy. Just click on the mask layer, select brush tool, and let's just decrease the size. I'm just gonna put it on black color and put the opacity to 100% and just slightly draw around it where we have the border of our mask layer. And that looks much better. And here's the result. What this was before and after. Isn't it amazing? And if you don't want to create a mask layer every time that you generate an image, you can come to settings, go to the last tab, which is behavior, and you can just turn it off and click on save. The next thing that we have added, which is really, really useful, is for you to save the prompts that you really like with a note attached to it. So if I use a prompt and I really like it, I can just come here, click on this history. And for example, this is the prompt that I used. I can just come here, click on this scar icon and write a title. For example, adding sunglasses, and save it. It will be saved and it will go to our favorites tab. So anytime if I come to favorite tab, I can click on use it or rename it or remove it. And here we have the title that we wrote for it. For example, here I have a prompt for YouTube thumbnail with low contrast. So anytime that I want to create a YouTube thumbnail based on the composition that I have, based on the image that I have made, I want to just make it much better. I will come here, either click on this prompt itself or click on use, and it will load the prompt for me here, and I can use it as much as I want. And one other thing that was added in this version is that when you want to use Seedream 5 Pro, if you scroll down to the settings of it, here now beside replicate, you also have access to Kai provider. So you can select each of them based on what you prefer. There are many other features that was added. You can just come here and read it for yourself. So again, if you don't have this ETI Image Photoshop plugin, you can get it from the link down in the description. If you have enjoyed this video, click on like and leave a comment. This way I will understand that you like this kind of content and I will make more of them for you. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos on AI trainings, especially about images and videos. Oh, by the way, let me tell you something. On the next video, we're going to have a very cool training about our other software called Rangi. We have an amazing update, which is going to come out soon, and I'm sure you're going to like it. So that was all about this video. I hope to see you soon on the next one.